Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Dream11 and confirming you are on the account holding the unused backup balance. Tap Wallet, then locate the Unused Backup or Bonus tab so you see the amount and expiry. Once visible, note which contest types accept backups: practice, small cash, or guaranteed leagues. This matters because not all contests accept backup. Make sure your team is ready before allocating the backup, since some bonuses apply only at entry or when you complete payment with real funds. You now pick a contest that accepts backup and assemble your lineup. Once you reach the entry/payment screen, you'll see payment options. Choose to apply the unused backup as part of the entry. Adjust the slider or enter the exact backup amount to use, keeping in mind platform minimums and deduction order. Dream11 often consumes backup before cash or vice versa. Confirm the final split between backup and real money so the entry goes through smoothly without accidentally overspending your main. You finish by confirming the entry and immediately checking your ticket status on the My Contest page to ensure your backup was applied. If the entry failed due to backup restrictions or remaining balance shortfall, make sure the contest accepts bonus/backups and reattempt with a smaller backup amount or add real funds. If the backup still doesn't apply, screenshot the payment screen, copy the transaction ID, and contact Dream11 support. That evidence speeds resolution and may recover lost entry rights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.